So let us start how different scientists have proved that DNA acts as a genetic material. Okay, previously it was thought that DNA is only made up of protein. So it is not responsible. But how the transfer of character is taking place? So different studies were done on that basis. So firstly, Griffith performed an experiment. Okay, he has taken bacteria Streptococcus pneumoniae. He took two types of, one is smooth and shiny, which is known as S type, and other is rough colonies, that is R type. Okay, two types of bacillus he's taken. Now, how we can, he has distributed these two types. This is due to the presence or absence of mucus, okay, polysaccharide coat. On that basis, it is of two types, smooth and shiny and rough and colonies. Rough colonies, or we can simply, in simple word, we can say S strain or R strain. So, what he has done? Firstly, he injected mice with the S type. Then the conclusion was that all the mice died due to pneumonia. Next, what he has done? He has taken mice and injected M type. Okay. And he observed that they survived. Okay. So after that, what he has done? He has taken S strain. Okay. He has taken S strain and heated. So after that, he injected to the mice. And the observation was totally different. He saw that the mice survived. After that, he has taken S strain. He heated and killed it, and it was injected to the R strain, and the observation was that the R strain mice died. Now, what was the conclusion by this? See, what was the full experiment observation conclusion? The conclusion was that live R strain bacteria transferred by heat killed S strain bacteria. Clear? Live R strain bacteria transformed by heat killed S strain bacteria. That's why mice with R strain were not able to survive, while with S strain were able to survive. Now, what is the transforming principle? See, it was seen that conclusion was there that the strain, S strain, is transformed, which help R type, okay, which help R type bacteria to synthesize smooth polysaccharide coat. Clear? He concluded that S strain helped the R strain bacteria to synthesize smooth polysaccharide coat due to the transfer of genetic material. So, purified protein, RNA, DNA from heat killed S type is transferred to the R type. So, DNA alone from heat killed S type bacteria cause transformation of R type to S type. Clear? So, DNA alone from heat killed S type bacteria cause transformation of R type to S type. Clear? So, this experiment proved that DNA is a genetic material. So next experiment was conducted by Alfred Hershey and Chase. They conducted experiment on bacteriophage. Okay, what is bacteriophage? They attack bacteria. Okay, so first step was they concentrated T2 bacteriophage that attacks common bacteria. They have taken E. coli, okay, which is present in human digestive tract. So, what they have done? See, bacteriophage has two components. Clear? Bacteriophage has two components. One is protein, another is DNA. So, what they have done? They separately labeled protein and DNA component with specific radioactive traces. Okay? And then these components were followed through the phases of life cycle. They developed two strains of virus. First they have labeled, then they developed two strains of virus, one with protein, another with DNA, and they labeled it. And we know that almost all proteins contain sulfur. Okay, and an atom not found in DNA, it is not present in DNA, whereas all DNA molecules contains phosphorus, which is not present in protein. Clear? Sulfur is present in protein but not in DNA, while in DNA phosphorus is present which is absent in protein. So they labeled it, and after developing these two strains, they combined each strain with non-radioactive bacteria. They combined each strain with non-radioactive bacteria and they allowed bacteriophage to attach and inject their genetic material. So, what they have seen? That it was observed that radioactive 32 phosphorus P, we can denote it, was found associated with bacterial cell. Okay, phosphorus 32 radioactive was found associated with bacterial cell, and sulfur 35 was only in the surrounding medium, was only present in the surrounding medium, not in the bacterial cell. Clear? So this result, what does it conclude? It clearly shows that only DNA and not protein coats enter the bacterial cell. Clear? So from this conclusion was taken that DNA carries the heredity information and not the protein. So thus it was clearly, conclusion was very clear that it is viral DNA and not protein which carry information for the production of more viral particles, or we can say that in general DNA acts as a genetic material. Okay, now what should be the properties, or we can say, see, it should be able to replicate, it should be chemically and structurally stable, and it should be able to express itself. Okay, we have studied in Mendelian also characters. It should be able to express itself, and it should be able to mutate. So By all these features, or we can say properties, all these properties are present in DNA, and by the above two experiments, it was concluded that DNA acts as a genetic material, and it is DNA only which transfer characters or which helps in inheritance of character.